City biodiversity has an increasingly important role to play in global conservation efforts. Plants provide the backbone for all nature to thrive. Discover how cities worldwide are living green, providing habitats to support diverse ecological communities. Responding to rapid urbanization and the escalating impacts of climate change. By integrating green infrastructure and restoring natural areas, the city enhances biodiversity, improves air and water quality, and boosts residents' well-being. Empowering local communities through green jobs and indigenous ecosystem restoration. Over 540 treepreneurs have been instrumental in reforesting degraded lands, creating carbon sinks, and revitalizing biodiversity. Transforming 24 million square meters into lush forests. With the help of 660,000 volunteers, the city increased its biodiversity from 1,147 to 1,724 species, creating a haven for migratory birds and enhancing ecological resilience. These cities are leading the way in biodiversity and urban ecosystem restoration. Is your city greening its future? Celebrate your story. Enter the AIPH World Green City Awards 2026.